Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sana Yusuf. I am from BS Education first semester. Today my topic is overview of educational institution in Pakistan. My content is educational governance and regulatory bodies in Pakistan, Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, National Curriculum Bureau, Educational Extension Center, Directorate of Staff Development, Qaidasm Academy for Educational Development, University Grant Commission, Higher Education Commission, Punjab Higher Education Commission. First of all, we discuss about educational governance and regulatory bodies in Pakistan. Pakistan education system is governed by multiple organizations, each playing a vital role in shaping the country's educational landscape. This presentation will delve into the key institutions responsible for secondary, higher, and teacher education. My first point is Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. It is an organization that oversees and conducts exams for students in high school, secondary, and college intermediate level in Pakistan. Some explanation about BICE. BICE manage and conduct examination for matric 9th and 10th grade and intermediate 11th and 12th grade students. It develop and standardize the curriculum that students need to study. After study pass their exam, BICE issues certificates that are recognized nationally. It ensures that educational standards are consistent and maintained across different schools and regions in Pakistan. In simple words, BICE help make sure that students in Pakistan have a fair, standardized education system by managing exam and curriculum. My second point is National Curriculum Bureau (NCB). It is an organization responsible for developing and updating the school curriculum in Pakistan to ensure that all students receive a consistent and high quality education. Some explanation about NCB. NCB creates revises the curriculum that schools across the country follow. It makes sure that the educational content is uniform, so all students learn the same subjects no matter where they live. NCB updates the curriculum to include modern educational needs and change in society. By maintaining a consistent curriculum, NCB ensures that all students have access to the same quality of education, which helps standardize learning outcomes. In simple words, NCB design and updates with student learning in school, ensuring everyone has a fair and equal education. My third point, EEC, Educational Extension Centers. These centers aims bring educational resources and programs to areas that are less developed or undeserved, particularly in rural regions. Some explanation about EEC. EEC work to provide educational opportunities and resources to people in rural and remote areas who might not have easy access to school and educational materials. They offer various programs like literacy class, vocational training, and workshop to improve education in these areas. EEC strive to make education accessible to everyone, regardless of where they live, by extending the reach of educational facilities and resources. By improving educational access, EEC help rise literacy rate and educational standard in undeserved communities. In simple words, EEC makes sure that people in rural and remote areas can get a good education by bringing school and learning resources closer to them. My fourth point is DSD, Directorate of Staff Development. It focuses on improving the quality of education by training, developing the skills of teacher. Some explanation about DSD. DSD provide professional development programs for teachers to enhance their teaching skill and methodologies. It organizes workshop courses and training sessions to help teachers stay updated with the latest educational practices. By improving the skills of teacher, DST aims to improve the overall quality of education that students receive. Well-trained teacher can deliver better education, which leads to improved student performance and learning outcomes. In simple words, DST help teachers become better at their jobs by providing them with the training and skills they need to teach effectively. My fifth point is QAED, Qaid-e-Azam Academy for Educational Development. It aims to improve the education system by providing training to school leaders and teachers, promoting innovative teaching method and conducting educational research. Some explanation about QAED focuses on developing the leadership and teaching skills of educators to enhance the quality of education. It offers training programs for school leaders and teachers, equipping them with the latest educational practices and leadership skills. QAED promotes the adoption of new and effective teaching methods to improve student learning outcomes. It conducts research and educational development to find better ways of teaching and learning. In simple words, QAED helps make education better by training teachers and school leaders, promoting new teacher methods, and doing research to improve how students learn. My sixth point is UGC, University Grant Commission. It is responsible for overseeing and supporting higher education institutions in Pakistan. Some explanation about UGC. UGC allocates funds to universities and colleges to support their academic and research activities. It ensures that higher education institutions meet certain quality standards through accreditations process. UGC provide grants and support for research projects, encouraging innovation and development within universities. By funding and regulating higher education, UGC help improve the infrastructure, quality, and research of capabilities of universities in Pakistan. In simple words, UGC help university by providing money, setting quality standards, and supporting research to ensure students get a good education. My second last point is HEC and PHEC. HEC Higher Education Commission. HEC stands for Higher Education Commission. It is an organization that oversees universities and higher education institutions in Pakistan. Some explanation about HEC. HEC regulates, ensure the quality of higher education institutions, setting standard for universities across the country. It provides financial support to universities, helping them improve their infrastructure, academic program, and research capabilities. HEC encourages research and development by offering grant and funding for innovative projects. By maintaining high standards and supporting University HEC help enhance the quality of higher education and promotes academic excellence. In simple words, HEC makes sure that university in Pakistan provide good education, have the resource they need and support research. PHEC, Punjab Higher Education Commission. PHEC stands for Punjab Higher Education Commission. It focuses on improving higher education specifically within the Punjab province of Pakistan. Some explanation. PHEC work with local universities and colleges in Punjab to enhance the quality of accessibility of higher education. It collaborates with HEC and other educational bodies to implement policies and initiatives that benefits higher education in Punjab. PHEC allocates resources and funding to support the development of improvement of higher education institution in Punjab. By focusing on the unique side of Punjab, PHEC help improve educational standard and ensure that local institutions receive the necessary support. In simple words, PHEC help improve higher education in Punjab by working with local university, providing resources and implementing educational policies. Conclusion. Pakistan education system is complex with multiple institutions playing critical roles. Understanding their function and responsible is essential for effective reform and improvement. Thanks for your listening.